Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. While the giant electric SUVs have been stealing the headlines, Kia just dropped a bomb on the compact segment that might actually be the most important car of the year. This is the 2026 Kia EV2 GT Line, fresh from its global debut at the Brussels Motor Show. The EV2 is Kia's answer to the call for affordable, high-tech electric mobility. In this GT line trim, it sheds its budget persona for something far more aggressive. You get model-specific front and rear bumpers, body-colored garnishes, and these stunning 19-inch dedicated alloy wheels. It's compact, just over 13 feet long, but it uses keyers. Its opposites united design language to look much larger and more rugged Durban than its footprint suggests. Under the skin, the EV2 GT line is more than just a pretty face. While the base model focuses on city efficiency, the GT line is expected to pair exclusively with the larger 61-kilowatt battery pack. Utilizing a 400-volt version of the E-GMP architecture, it delivers a punchy 147 horsepower to the front wheels. It's not a track monster, but with that instant electric torque and a revised steering gear ratio, it's built to dominate the stoplight Grand Prix of city driving. The best part? You're looking at a WLTP range of up to 278 miles on a single charge. And thanks to its advanced thermal management, you can juice up from 10% to 80% in exactly 30 minutes at a fast dash charger. Step inside, and you'll realize why Kia is winning the interior game right now. The GT line cabin is a masterclass in small car luxury. It's featuring a triple-screen panoramic display that merges to 12.3-inch screens with a dedicated 5.3-inch climate panel. You get a sporty, 3-spoke GT line steering wheel, metal pedals, and a picnic box interior philosophy that makes the cabin feel incredibly airy. Despite its size, it's remarkably practically a sliding second row that can expand the boot to over 14 cubic feet. With a premium Harman Kardon sound system and Kia's full Level 2 ADAS suite, the 2026 Kia EV2 GT line proves that small doesn't have to mean basic. Starting at an estimated $30,000, this is the EV that could finally bring the masses to the electric revolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we prepare for our first full-range test through the city.